Spent a long time making some code and stuff, you know. And all the people paid, and you know, I've got an idea. Hey, yo, I've got enough money to go to the carnival. Want to go there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Wait, I paid for that tablet. Where? Come on, let's go. Come on.
My wings ready. Wings.
You don't have wings. You're not real. Anyways, come on. Come on, let's go past the school. Let's go past the school, man. Hey, back off. You stay away from mine. Oh my. I got flash. Oh, damn, I shouldn't have picked that. Anyways, the carnival is just around the street, man. Come on. Hey, you bullying! Hey, stop bullying him. Stop bullying my pet, man. Can't believe I'm bullying him. He's only a bird. Alright, we're at the carnival. What do you got? Which one do you want to go first? The fortune teller who tells your future, or the arcade machine? I'm going over here. Come on. Look, fortune teller. Alright, so who wants to do the honor? Me or you?
Me.
Alrighty. You go do it. Holy, your head's all big. Alright, it's my turn. Give me. Huh?
Your head is big.
Oh, dang it. This thing's busted.
Well, your eyes and your hands is.
Alright, let's go to the, Oh yeah, by the way, don't go down there. There's probably a bunch of kidnappers down there. Staff only.
Ew.
Alright. Alright, go up there. Alright, I'm gonna go first. And I'm gonna play some games. I'll play some games. Alright.
This looks like a nest.
Oh my god, what the? I kind of want that one. The hell? Go grab it! No! Oh, you're so hard to control, man. Sucks, man. This thing sucks. Come on. I want to get that scanner thing. Where were you, man?
Somehow I'm in there.
Alrighty, I think it's your turn.
Ooh.
There's no more coins left. Die! Die, stop it. Ow! Well, that's our time at the carnival. Anyways.
I'm scared. I don't know.
That's it, follow me. Give me back my bat. I got something to show you. It's something cool. Give me back my axe. I've got something to show you. Something cool. Oh, dang it. What was that tablet showed you? Some sort of song? Alrighty. Hand my bat back, please. Give me back my bat, please. Dude! Stop handing it back politely. Anyway, since you didn't get me anything,